In this video, I'm going to show you exact funnel strategy that I just implement for my agency to book a qualified appointments. Uh, you know, so the number one reason most of the agencies freelancers are fails because they don't have enough qualified appointments book for their offer, and that's probably the reason you are here and you don't have a client because you don't have enough qualified appointments. Because if you have a qualified appointments, that means you have a clients. It is basics as simple as that. This video is going to be very raw video, because I'm going to show you my strategy uh, that I implement because I just done with the launch. Okay, it took us 12 to 14 days from from basics to from base to come up with the right offer, right market, right market message, and then right funnel strategy, then emails, SMS flows, and then ads and everything. Just 12 to 14 days from scratch we did, and I just launched the team just launched the funnel, the ads campaign, and I'm going to show you the exact funnel strategy. I'm into my Miro board right now, on my desk, you know. So let's just get into this. First of all, you need to understand there is only a four-way you can generate qualified appointments for your offer, whether it's a coaching consulting program, whether it's a service that you're providing, whatever it is. There is only a four-way you can generate clients for your agency, for your offer. First is you can do organic outbound. You can reach out to client organically through emails, SMS, or maybe, DMs and everything. Okay. Second is you create content. There's a bunch of like a platform where you can create content. It reach out to the right kind of audience. They DM you, book a call with you, and then you sell your product. Third is you can uh, put out a great offer and then run paid ads. Okay. And fourth one is a referrals. You know, you provide service to the client. If your client feel happy, they refer to others. There is only a four-way. There is no other way out of this four-way. You can generate appointments or generate clients for your offer. Okay. But in today's video, we are going to talk about the paid method because paid is what is predictable. All three method is not predictable. The referrals, the creating content, and reaching out organically. These are the three methods which is not predictable. But paid method is predictable. You know how many leads or calls you can generate in a month. You can kind of predict that. So we are going to talk about that because we just did a launch. We just launched our campaigns and everything. Okay, so let's just get into this.
We are going to cover two important things. First is the implementation timeline, and then the whole funnel strategy I'm going to uncover. Week one is all about the foundation. We foundation everything. We Excel script finalization and production, then landing page building, then optimize email sequence setup, add account structure, and everything. We did everything in a week one. Week two is all about the ads creative development. We use 5 ads creative, 2 is the video ads, and 3 is the static images. Then we have a VSL editing and final approval, calendar integration. We use Calendly to book a call with, so that our client book a call with the team. And I use system.io for the funnels and automation. Call booking process. Now, week third, which is currently going on, is all about launching the campaign. I just did my ads manager, ads buddy is just launched the ads. This week is all about monitoring the CPL conversion rate, and daily optimization based on the performance data. Now, let's just quickly talk about the funnel strategies. I personally use VSL funnel, video sales letter funnel, which is perfect for service based business agencies, freelancers, and coaches and consultants who have a high ticket product. If you have a product that is above $2,000, which is I think 1.5 lakh rupees in Indian rupees, then you can consider using this VSL funnel, because you need to have a one-on-one chat with your customer, with your prospect, if you wanted to sell high ticket offer. I have a 3 lakh rupees offer that I'm going to pitch to my clients. I need to have some sort of a funnel that my prospect book a call with me or my team one on one, so that we can implement or give them a strategy in the call and then ask them to buy the services. That's why VSL is good for a service-based business, freelancer, agencies, coaches, consultants who has a high ticket offer. So this is the 4-step funnel strategy. In step first, we have an opt-in page. Opt-in page is all about collecting the information from the prospect in exchange of a video which is on the second page, the VSL, video sales letter. The VSL is can uncover the big idea, the offer. Step by step, we uncover the strategy we are implementing for our clients. That's what the VSL is all about. And then they watch the VSL, we give them a call to action to book a call with the team. Then they need to click on the button and it redirect to the third page, which is the Calendly call booking page. And then they book a call with the team according to their time slots and everything. And then they redirect to the last page, which is the confirmation page, which is a thank you page. Congratulations on booking a call with the team. Here is the next step you need to take. And there is a short video on this confirmation page also, which basically guide them for the next step, how they need to, what things they need to keep in mind before jumping on a call with the team. So it's a 4-step funnel process. So we are basically using traffic channels, Facebook and Instagram. This is the 2 channels we are going to use. This is the opt-in page. As you can see, we have a very clear offer. We'll install a profitable webinar inside your business in the next 14 days, and you only pay us when you generate the results. Then we have a form they need to fill out before they going to get access of the video. And if they click on this video, they the pop-up will come out and they need to again fill the information before getting access to the video. So this is the opt-in page. Now let's just quickly show you the sales page. This is the VSL page. Second page, there is a VSL on this page. And I personally recorded 14-minute VSL. When it's come to recording a VSL, you need to keep things in mind that it's not a lengthy enough 45-minute or 60-minute long, not a shorter 10-minute. You can consider the recording 15 to 20 minutes. Between 15 to 20 minutes, it's a sweet spot. First, they need to watch the video, understand the offer, and then they need to book a call with the team. If they click on this button, they redirect to the they redirect to the Calendly booking page. And when they complete the process, they redirect to the confirmation page. That's how this entire funnel looks, which is very simple, straightforward. And you can consider adding this 5 email sequence. I'm going to we are spending 2,000 rupees per day ad budget, which is close around 50-60,000 rupees per month. 50 to 60,000. Now I have a 3 lakh rupees offering, 3 lakhs each. That means if I just get one sales of 3 lakh rupees, I can make minimum 4x return on ad spend. So that's the thing. If you have a high ticket offer, consider adding this funnel, because it is very easy to implement and give you results, give you call booking, which is predictable. And yeah, that's it. If you are a coach, consultant and a course creator, you have a high ticket offer, you can book a call with my team. Click on the link below And if you have a freelancer or agency and you wanted to learn how you can generate 30 to 50 appointments every single month, and you can make extra 10 lakh rupees every single month, because I'm the one who has generated $10,000 once before even running that paid ads. It's all organic. What you need to do, I leave the WhatsApp community link below. Just click on that link and become the part of the community. Okay, and I'll see you on the next. If you have any question,